In this quick video, we'll learn how to follow someone on Pinterest on both iOS or Android devices. Getting to follow other Pinterest accounts makes finding inspiring ideas much easier, and by following a bunch of people, you will be able to see more pins and ideas that interest you when you open your Pinterest application. In order to follow someone, we'll first open our Pinterest application, and then we want to open some pin that interest us. For example, I'll open this one, and in order to follow the person, we'll first have to go over to their profile. We can tap on the creator's name, and then we will get to their Pinterest profile. Simply tap on the red Follow button, and we will start following that person on Pinterest. You'll get a little pop-up at the top that says, Following and the name of that account. Start a conversation. The more people you follow on Pinterest, the more your home feed will be filled with the content that those people post in the app. But that's essentially it. If you want more similar videos, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I will see you soon.